Today on Make It, I'm going to show you how to make a cheap soldering iron stand for your soldering iron. Welcome to Make It from Siren Tech and Maker Lab Industries. So recently I bought a soldering iron, one of these types, for circuit board soldering because my soldering gun has too big of a tip. It globs up and kind of gets a little messy, and you can short things out, and that's not too good. So I bought a pen style soldering iron to get into smaller places, and it came with this little stand here. I'll get closer. As you can see, it's not the best. Just a piece of cheap plastic and a piece of wire, which would soldering iron sits like that. And obviously it could be easily pulled off or knocked off and do bad things. So I came up with an idea using piping to make a stronger and better soldering iron. So this is not the best idea. So we're gonna make a better one. The parts I will be using are a 1/2" black pipe flange, a 1/2" 45-degree angle black pipe coupling, a 1/2" black pipe T, a 1/2" by 1.5" black pipe nipple, and a 1/2" by 2.5" black pipe nipple. The reason I'm using black pipe is because black pipe isn't galvanized. Galvanized metal gives off a toxic fume when it gets heated to high temperatures, which the soldering iron obviously does. So that's the reason I chose black pipe, and also it kind of looks cool. First I screwed the longest nipple to the base. Then I was going to screw the pipe on with this little fancy rubber thing. It's supposed to not leave any marks on the pipe, which I didn't want to happen, but it would not tighten itself on the pipe and it just made it looser. So I had to go with the plumbing wrench instead. Next I screwed the 45-degree angle coupling to the top of the nipple. Then I screwed the shortest nipple onto the 45-degree angle coupling and tighten that with the plumbing wrench. Lastly, I screwed on the 1/2" T to the shortest nipple. The T wasn't pointing down vertically enough, so I used the plumbing wrench to tighten it the rest of the way. After that, you're finished. Okay, so there you have it, a very easy to make and cheap soldering iron. So, see you next week on Make It.